Ma così non si è avuto tempo, c'è andare. Bene male. Magari. Come dietro.
This week I did an interview with two of the last Carters of Casteltermini. Uncle Pepe on the left, 92 years old, and Uncle Giacomino on the right, 82 years old. Between the 1950s and 1960s, they worked together on the streets of Sicily. They both have a nice Sicilian coppola and are remembering the old days.
We haven't talked about it for quite a while.
Piccolissimo.
Quanti anni aveva?
10, 12, al massimo 12 anni.
Uncle Giacomino, when did you start to work?
I was 12 when I started.
Why did you carry it?
Faceva questi viaggi.
I used to bring fruit to Agrigento.
Ad Agrigento.
Uncle Pepe, at what age did you start?
15 anni veniva solo.
At 15, I used to go by myself with a cart.
What did you carry?
Broad beans.
And where did you go?
Da Palermo vivo con carretto, in città di Lione.
I went to Palermo, 100 kilometers away, and stayed there for 2 days.
What did you eat in the inns?
White pasta if we had it.
Did you go to the taverns?
What taverns? At the warehouse.
But you usually only slept in the warehouse.
Yes, you slept there.
Nelle osterie.
And where did you eat?
L'osteria solo forno, che chiamavamo ora, forno.
In a house nearby.
What did you eat?
Preparavano da mangiare.
Cooked beans, chickpeas, eggs.
And fried sardines?
Yes, those were good.
Una bottega vicino.
E che davano da mangiare? Che preparavano?
Fave cotte, cecere.
E sardozze fritte.
Tante salate, che sono
No,
Then
sardozze
Uncle
fritte vedete
Giacomino
c'erano,
sings
si
this
ricorda?
song that the Carters
Zio
used to sing.
Giacomino, tutta
The
la
Carter
cova
songs
de
are
Petit che
Sicilian love songs.
sempre
Very suggestive.
quando si passava da
very
già c'era
elaborate.
sempre odore di sarde
They
fritte.
sing to pass the time, to keep awake,
Va bene,
especially in the
complimenti
long
a tutte e
journeys
due.
made during the night. They talked with their horse, as if to consider him a friend, telling their family stories. Canto di Luca Ritteri.
Mi parto di Palermo e me ne vai a Patti.
Mi parto di Palermo e vai a Patti, e vai a cogliere i divini frutti. Ci fu una picciuttedda, che non nappi, che di la pena lo cuore mi ruppi.